Hi guys, good morning. It's a brand new day and we are up and having breakfast. We are at the hotel. We'll be checking out a little later, but we're in the breakfast room right now. And breakfast is a buffet. They have just about everything. So the kids are here eating. And I am having croissant, egg, sausage. Baby's having a mix of fandango. That's okay, that's okay. She running from the fly. Turn around, that's okay. He's gone, Sarah, he's gone. He touched you?
From what?
Gone, a fly. It's gone, Sarah. Sarah, it's gone. Sit up.
This is not egg.
What do you mean? No, it's
it.
not like, it is egg, but it's how they do it. It's liquid egg, it's not one
See
they
what I
break
mean? It
it.
looks like a mix with egg.
Thank you.
Hot chocolate. Here we are.
Say thank you.
You wanna throw?
No, that's okay. Thank you. It's hot. It's hot. You have to wait. Okay?
I mean, it looks like a mix of egg and pollen.
Ah. Oh, so it's my fault that was missing.
Salad and
I was about to use it.
It's definitely egg, but it's liquid egg mixed with something.
I asked you for 4.
Yeah.
Mama, go like this and the bacon.
I'll go for another one for you, okay? Only bacon you want or something else? Do you want more pineapple or no? Do you want more croissant? Alright, so we have toast bread, we have croissants, we have cake, tarts, we have donuts, different type of cake. This one good, it's a carrot cake. I'm gonna have a piece of that. Pineapple. And Tyler want bacon. I'll bring you one sausage. There we go. And there are yogurts. Nice. Yeah. You're welcome.
It's better.
That's good. All right, we are leaving. Bye bye, hotel. Deuces. It was nice here while it lasts, but it's time to go. We're checking out. Ready, babies?
Yes!
Yes, for the next stop.
Do you remember in Mexico, PORTOFINO was
Come, Sarah.
restaurant vegetarian?
I didn't remember that was his name. Say good morning to the faves.
Wow!
Sarah, come say good morning. Sarah, say wagwan. Say wagwan. Midea pandigaza. Wagwan midea pandigaza. Your turn. Okay, he's in Italy, so he's gonna act Italian. All right, we see you. All right, let's go.
Every country we're in, I'm going to do like that.
Okay.
France, bonjour.
And you?
Jamaica,
Say good morning. Say good morning. Babe. You play too much. Bye.
Let's go.
So
If we are both like that, I
go.
know.
You don't want to get it because it's not nice.
But what is a booth?
You soon know what's a booth. Go.
But what is a booth? What is
What's a booth?
Mama, a booth. But Mama, what is a booth?
Sarah, don't go there.
Bravo.
No! Oui. Non, ça va ouvrir de la position. Don't touch.
Sit again. What the elevator slow? Meow. Sarah, go. Sarah, go. You don't check out? Ah. Bonjour. Don't go up. Checking out. It's time to check out. Checking out time. Guys, adventure for today. We're still in Italy. We're in Portofino, little village that we are about to visit. So let's see what it has to offer. All right. So first notice is that Portofino is very luxury. Yachts and more yachts and expensive stores and expensive restaurants, but it's beautiful to see. Maybe the only thing I can afford here is the ice cream. But all I'm seeing is luxury, and all you're hearing is English speakers and people dressed to the fine. Okay, okay, there are a few restaurants available. Look at the yachts. Yeah, we can do that. Everybody taking photos. Not even makeup I put on this morning. But it's a luxury life for me, girl. It's a luxury life for me. And me just being my basic self out here. Beautiful. Yeah, there are many. There are many boats. Look. Look over there. Okay, you guys. So we are in Portofino, and let me tell you, it's like a Santa Fe when it comes to prices. I told you that earlier when I'm back to stores, and the restaurants are exactly the same. The food is expensive. The prices are lit, but I'm gonna close my eyes and enjoy my lunch. And I'm gonna eat even the last slice of bread on the table. I'll make sure I eat it. But anyway, you guys, it's a good day. It's raining a little bit. It's raining a little bit, but the kids are having a good time. So the lobster there. No, baby, them feed do better with the lobster. What the people that more kid? Anyway, lobster, pasta. Ty, you put cheese on yours? Alright, so lunch is done. Lunch was delicious, but I wanted more lobster on my plate. But it was good, it was tasty. I wouldn't say worth the money, but I enjoyed that. Anyway, we are walking around Portofino harbor right now. We're gonna try to go to the tower. I don't know if we're gonna make it there, but let's see. There's lots of people out here. It's a little bit windy, a little bit chilly, but we're gonna enjoy the rest of our afternoon before we head back on our journey home. But Portofino is absolutely beautiful, that's for sure. Those are top. Sarah, what's that? Look up there. What is that? What is? Oh yes. What's his name? Tassaras? Timon.
No.
What's his name?
King Julian.
All right, the journey has begun. Here we go. We are going up the stairs. Oh my God. And of course they're in front of me. This is not nice. Okay, we're on our way to the lighthouse. Not much step now, but it's still a little walk. On the way. Yes.
Please, please.
Go. We're going through a little track to the lighthouse, and the kids have so much energy. I don't know where to get so much energy from, you know. But Jaja, I'm dying, and they're running. Look at them. They're running literally. Yes.
Steps.
Okay, that's where we're trying to get to. Up the top, right there, and more steps coming up. Okay, so babes, they're about to get tickets for us to go to the lighthouse, wherever that is. But this is a Sarah, no! Sarah, don't do that, please. Ticket in hands, and up to the lighthouse we go. C'est gratuit pour les enfants?
No, I'm sure you will.
Boy!
The castle first.
Castle? This way, this way.
Is your mom on it?
Is my mom what?
On it?
On it? Brown, Castle Brown. Oops, pardon. Oh, that's okay. Welcome to Castle Brown. Just for you, Mom. Just for you, Mama.
Excuse me.
That's okay. Go to Papa. Sarah, stop doing that. I said to stop doing that, little girl. Okay, so that's where we ate just now, right? And we walk this way and then up. Yeah, faster than I thought it would be. So we just ate lunch here and then we walk, come around here, up and then around. That's nice. Oui, ma belle. It's an ant. He's gonna bite you.
Portofino, actually I say I'm happy to come here. I would have been a bit disappointed if I had come straight from the house.
Was a nice stop.
Yeah.
Was worth the stop.
I'ma live up, head down, push forward through the tough times, 'cause anything worth doing is a tough climb.